Greetings Earthlings, Britley Cole here, and today we're doing a little unboxing.
Because it's 3 a.m. and I can't sleep. No wonder I'm always so fucking beat. Got my eyes wide.
I decided to buy a ponytail extension. I have been wanting to try one forever. I ended up getting it from Sally's. It arrived within just a couple days. This is the box, and we are gonna open it on camera and try it on camera and see if Sally's ponytail extensions are any good. It's, you know, very protected with all these air things. Not so great on the environment, but we can always reuse this if we send somebody something. 26 inches. This is what it looks like when it gets here. It is a straight drawstring ponytail, and let's see. Open this. How do I open this? Oh, it's got a little snap. That's snazzy. How the heck am I supposed to get this out? This plastic is very tight fitting on this box, and that just won't come out. So am I supposed to rip it? I don't want to. I would like to use this to keep my hair nice. I'm just gonna reaching my whole hand in and seeing if I can grab it. Oh, it's attached up there, so how? Gosh, that was so much work. It is attached with one of those little clothing tags, so I will just cut that and be careful I'm not cutting the hair. Oh no. Ooh. It's in this whole little hair netty thing. Ooh, look at that hair. Another little tag. This. We should just... Oh, so you really, it is just drawstring it around. What does it say? Do I just put it, I have a bun already on my head. Can I just put it on that? Does it have any directions anywhere? Okay, bitches, we're on our own. So when you see on the inside, there's a little drawstring, and there's a clip on this side and a clip on this side. So I do believe I need to dig those into my hair. I'll just do it on each side of the bun. Maybe. Did that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, okay. But yeah, I think I'm gonna buy a second one so I can do pigtails. I think that would be really cute. And I definitely want to do some type of Ariana Grande inspired video. So if you're interested in that, you know, come back and check it out. Maybe subscribe, follow me on Instagram or TikTok. That way you can keep updated and you can see the Ariana Grande video or any of the other videos I post. Okay, that is all for this video. I am just so awkward right now, but at least I feel cute. I'll see you guys in the next one.